Yeah, fine. So, a quick introduction. Yesterday, I mean, if some of you people are new joiners or something, then quick introduction from me. So, myself, Vishwa, I'm having almost around 8 years of work experience. Currently, I'm working in one of the MNC in India. So, so in Nareshati, I used to deal with morning batches. So. That's why these classes. So and coming to my skill set, like I'm currently working on ASP.NET MVC Web API AngularJS related and C# related things I'm working, and currently my designation is like tech lead. Okay, so it's about myself. Okay, so coming to .NET. So yesterday I mean, our batch started yesterday only. So we have discussed what is .NET, what is .NET full stack course. Those things we have discussed. Okay, so today we'll start with what is the course content. That's what we will discuss, and what is the situation of IT currently. So we are hearing so many rumors, and we are hearing and we are seeing so many rumors outside the world, right? So all these things I will address. Yeah, yes, Bhavani, tell me what happened. Okay, fine. Uh, so today we'll discuss about a small demo on one of the concept also. So apart from that, we'll see what is the course content exactly we are going to discuss uh, in our .NET session. For this current complete package and also current session. What we are going to discuss, everything I will explain now. Okay, so first we will. So yesterday I have explained what is the importance of .NET full stack. So I hope you people may know what is full stack, .NET core full stack, or .NET full stack, whatever it may be. So okay, so as we so if anyone have questions, please message in the chat. So I will open in the middle, so that even that will be helpful for everyone also. Yeah, yeah, Pavani, we'll discuss. So I will discuss maybe in the last. Okay, okay. So fine. Okay, so .NET Core full stack. So yesterday we have seen, see, nowadays all the companies are looking for what full stack developers only. The reason for that is, see, a full stack developer can do UI related things, database related things, and web technologies related or business logic related things he can do. So in olden days, see, for example, if one employee is leaving the company, so it will take for employee to train them in .NET. See, for example, if he is a fresher, it will take minimum 6 months. If he is experienced, like 4 or 5 years of experience people, so definitely they also need 1 month or 2 months, 3 months time. Why? Because so if we are working on if you are working on 2 classes, 3 classes, or small projects, it will be very much easy. But when it comes to bigger projects, like, so when you are working for Microsoft client, or when you are working for other reputed clients, then what will happen in that cases, there will be the project, files will be more, and everything will be more. So in that cases, what will happen? So it will be very much difficult give knowledge transfer sessions to the new resources. It will take so much time for new resources to gain the knowledge on that particular project. So that's why IT industry introduced a concept called this full stack development. A developer can do all kinds of development. See, like in olden days, what will happen? UI developer will be there. He will develop what only UI things, and the web technologies developer will be there. He will develop only logical related things, and database developer will be there. He will develop only SQL related. But nowadays, what is happening because of this full stack development? So uh, one developer can develop UI related, he can develop database related, he can develop web technologies related, he can develop. So due to that, what will happen? So see, for example, if one employee left the company, so companies will think like we have one more resource who is having knowledge and complete application, he can code. So that's what the basic advantage of the .NET Core full stack. So that's what I explained yesterday. Okay, we'll just continue with our yesterday session. So here our course content. What is our course content means? So here we will our package is .NET Core full stack. So here we will learn programming languages C#. Okay, I think nowadays C# is most trending language in the world. So C# is enough for programmers. So but if some people want VB related stuff or something, so I mean the concept is same, but the syntaxes will change. That's it. That is only difference between C# and VB. See, for example, so if you go to US, or if you go to India, or if you go to some other country, so APPLE, Apple spelling won't change, right? So see, but fluency wise, Indians will spell Apple in some manner, and other countries people will spell that in some other manner. That's it. Similarly, so VB.NET or C#.NET both are same, the concepts wise, but the thing is syntaxes will change. That's it. That there is no major difference. Only syntaxes will change. If you grasp those syntaxes and differences, then you can easily code things in VB.NET also. Okay, I mean, yesterday someone was asking me, sir, VB script, is that similar, or we will discuss VB script also? Answer for them. This is the answer for them. Okay, so so clear, right? So C#.NET, we will teach C#.NET, and the session will be from what 6 to 7 every day. Okay, so that is what our programming language. And the second one is web technologies. So here we will discuss about mostly the major frontliner is what ASP.NET. Here we will discuss about MVC, Web API, ASP.NET Core. Okay, so got it right? So anyone have questions, please ping me in the chat. Okay, so programming language is what C#. Web technologies, here we will discuss about what ASP.NET. So ASP.NET, in the sense, not only ASP.NET, we will discuss about complete ASP.NET, MVC, Web API, ASP.NET Core. Okay, so here we will discuss about. So now a C# class is running here. So web technologies class will run after completion of our C# at the same time slot. Okay, and database we will see. So we are learning .NET. So .NET is basically Microsoft's product. Okay, so so it's a Microsoft product. So we will use all the front end related and business logic related in our Visual Studio software, and database related we will learn SQL Server. So because SQL Server is also Microsoft product only, so that's why we will learn SQL also separately. Okay, and UI technologies. So UI technologies means HTML, JavaScript, CSS, Bootstrap, jQuery, Angular. Okay, Angular with TypeScript. So this is what our Naresh IT will give us as a .NET Core full stack course. Okay, so people clear? So see, programming language C#, web technologies what ASP.NET, MVC, Web API, ASP database related SQL Server, UI technologies HTML, JavaScript, CSS, Bootstrap, jQuery, Angular with TypeScript. See, this many things, even it's very difficult to remember also. Okay, so okay, so this many things will be I mean, so these are all the things we will discuss about in our complete course. So in this course content, I will deal with first two. Okay, so C# and web technologies, these two I will handle. So database, we have separate faculties, and UI technologies, we have separate faculties. And coming back to real-time project, so after completion of my two, C# and ASP.NET, so I will teach everything in real time, and I will make you people to write the coding on your own. Okay, so for that, so what we need to do that, so simply I will tell, just follow the sessions, that's it. Okay, okay, so okay, so see, .NET Core also will teach here, uh, here only. So the differences, someone is asking, yeah, definitely, when the topic comes, we will explain the differences also. Okay, uh, and so course duration, yesterday I told, again I will tell, so that is like 3 months, I mean, it's like in between 2 to 3 months for C sharp, only C sharp I'm saying. So yeah, first two, programming language C sharp and web technologies, I will teach. Okay, so clear, right? So so yeah, um so see, I will just give some 2 minutes, we will discuss about one of the toughest concept here. So in our .NET, that's what whoops concept. So just I will try to explain from my end. So see, it's very early to learn whoops concept, but still, so this is like a demo purpose I'm giving. So if you people are able to understand, then you can understand anything in C# for sure. Okay, for that reason, I will teach something on the whoops. Okay, so my sincere request to everyone, see, so when you people are in this class, just follow whatever I say. So see, for example, this is like, for example, if I ask you people to repeat, then I know you people are muted, so that's why you people repeat yourself. Okay, like see, for example, if I ask like class name, then you people also repeat by yourself, by unmuting yourself, or by muting also fine, so that that will be very much easy for you people. So not only for this class, for complete .NET course, so that what will happen, so you will learn parallelly, and you are able to write the programming on your own. Okay, let's try for a sample one. We will see that sample one. So if you people are able to understand that, so you can write some coding on your own now itself. So with you people don't know what is .NET and all, but still you can write the programming. So trust me, so all my classes will be like this class only. So I mean, I don't change or something like. So so I will explain each and everything in real time. So whatever you people understand here, so you people can try on your own. So that will helpful when you people get the job, or when you people, if you people are already doing the job, so that will definitely help you people for to achieve good success. Okay, so so I want to discuss about the basic concepts of whoops for 10-15 minutes here. Later we will go back to our course content. Okay, so basically whoops, what is whoops? So whoops is nothing but object oriented programming system. Okay, so this is what the full form of whoops. Okay, so basically people call so this .NET course content will be like, we'll go with ADO.NET. Okay, Stored procedures and all means in our SQL session, I mean, we will people will discuss about those things in SQL. Okay. Fee structure. So yesterday I have given one of our admin number, Hari Prasad. So just note down his number. Please connect with him. So see, I suggest ping him in WhatsApp, message him in WhatsApp, so that that will be easy for him and for you people also. Otherwise, if multiple people are calling him, so then what will happen? So he will get call waiting, or if he is using other number or something, then it will be like switch off of kind of thing. So if you message him in WhatsApp, then he will respond to your queries. Okay. So that's what my suggestion. So Hari Prasad, and his number is this one. So I hope everyone noted down. So fee structure related, course details related, if anything, any questions you have, you can you can connect with Hari Prasad. He will help you guys. Okay, fine. So fine. So what is WOOPS? What is WOOPS? So WOOPS means object oriented programming system. Okay. So object oriented programming system. So basically the name itself, it tells like object oriented programming system. So the dependency in object shows here. So see, the name itself, they kept like object oriented programming system. So I call this object as king of oops. Okay. So king of oops. So what is this king of oops? Why we are calling this as king of oops? So I also tell like object is leading complete oops. I also tell without object we cannot do anything in our oops concepts. So I'm giving so many big statements, but how it is, I will prove that. Okay. So for the first thing, so in our oops concepts, mainly I will discuss here class, object, methods. So we'll discuss about these things. Okay, fine. So this is what we are going to discuss about for next 10-15 minutes. Okay. So now first one, class. So the syntax for declaring a class is class name. Okay. So what is that? Class name. Please repeat. So what is that? Class name. Here open brace and close brace. So the syntax for declaring a class is class name, open brace, closed brace. So see, in programming or coding, so if you follow the syntaxes, then you will become very good developer. That's it. So you don't need to learn something else. So you need to follow the syntaxes. So see, the syntax for declaring a class is what? Class name. So you need to keep class here, and you need to keep some valid class name here. After that, open brace, close brace. So whatever you write some code, you should write inside this braces only. So see, if you write the code outside the brace, then you will get error. If you don't follow the syntax, it will get error. So simple. So if you follow the syntaxes properly, you don't get any errors. Okay. Now, what is the syntax for declaring a class? So you people needs to repeat when I'm asking the question, but you are muted, I know, but still on your own, if you repeat that, trust me, uh, just follow for today's class. Then tomorrow onwards, if I ask, you people will do on your own. So you will know the difference. Okay. So now what is the syntax for declaring a class? Class name, open brace, close brace. So inside class we'll have two things: variables, okay, and methods. That's it. What is that? Variables and methods. So the syntax for declaring a class is class name, variables, and what? Methods. So only two things are there in our class right now. Okay. So class name, open brace, and what? Closed brace. Okay. So this is what the syntax of declaring a class. What is that? Class name, open brace, and what? Closed brace. Inside our class, who are they? So we have what? So we have variables and methods. Okay. So the syntax for declaring a class is this one. Fine. Sir, you said like object is king of oops and object is leading oops. Object is something. Object is that much, this much, everything you tell. But there is nothing proved by yourself. Yeah. Wait for just 2 minutes. We'll prove that also. Okay. The syntax for declaring a class is what? Class name, open brace and closure brace. Inside class, what we have? Variables and what? Methods. So I will write the definition of class is a closed container where we can bind variables and methods. That's what I want to tell. So this is what a definition of class given by me, but I will prove that how it is. Okay. So now, so see, so we have, I told you people to just follow the syntax, then you will learn the programming. So see, now people see here. So I will try to write example for that class one. So class, what is the syntax for declaring a class? Class name. So we can give anything, A, B, C, whatever you want, you can give. So I just kept ABC as what? Class name. Okay. So ABC is my class name. After that, what? Open brace and what? Closure brace. Inside class, what we have? What we have like variables and what methods. So int A equal to 10, comma, B equal to what? 20, comma, C. That's it. So these are variables. So we have a separate concept for variables. Definitely we'll discuss what is variables and how we will work on it. So this is like a demo purpose only I'm giving. So all these concepts we will discuss again when it comes, when we got the soups concepts. Okay, maybe after 10-15 classes we'll go, we will touch the oops concepts. Okay. So what is the syntax for declaring class is what? Class name, open brace, closure brace. Here what we are having variables and what? Methods. So that is fine. So we have variables. Now we need methods. Void some add. I'm just keeping like this. So here I will write like C equal to A plus B, and after that I will print my output here. Okay. That's it. See, I did not done anything much here. So simple. First, what is our syntax? Class name. So class name, open brace, closure brace. We kept like that. So who are there in our class? So what? Two things, variables and what? Methods. That's it. Okay. Okay, fine. So this is what a program structure. That is fine. Now, so people tell me, so for example, now when the variable will work, when the variable will start working, so how that will work? So simple. So for example, if I want to move from here to somewhere, like if I want to run from my home to some one of the place in Hyderabad or one of the place in India. So if I want to move from here to there, like for 1 kilometer I want to move, then what I need? I definitely need some energy. Okay, I definitely need some energy. Okay, so now people tell me, can I move? Can I run that 1 kilometer without energy? How we will get energy? So if I eat every day daily, but suppose if I did not eat for 3 days continuously, then will I able to walk 1 kilometer? So maybe you will think like your sir is Superman, so still he can walk. Okay, but fine. I extended that to 5 days now. Now tell me, so will I able to walk from here, my home to 1 kilometer? No. So if I am Superman or Spider-Man, whatever it may be, I cannot walk. So if I try to walk or if I try to run, then what will happen? One ambulance will come and they will take me to hospital and they will do the things. Why? Because what I need here, I definitely need energy, right? So without energy, I cannot even walk for 5 steps or 10 steps also we can. So if I did not eat something for 5 days, how I will walk for even 10 steps also, it will be difficult. Yeah, it will be easy if some 3-4 people are supporting me, then if they if they support me, then I can easily walk from here to there for what happily. If I did not eat for 1 week also, I can walk. But so without energy I cannot even walk. Similarly, now people tell me, so without memory, can we work with variables? No. What is that? No. So without memory, we cannot work with what? Variables, right? So now who is giving memory? Who is giving memory? That means our beautiful object. Object is allocating. So please ignore the spelling mistakes if I have here. Object is allocating sufficient memory to what? Variables. Okay. So is that clear? So now people tell me, so if I don't have object, so can I work with variables? No. So okay. So people tell me I don't have object now. So can I work with variables? No. What is the reason for that? Because object is allocating memory to variables, right? So without object, we cannot allocate memory to what? Variables. So now people tell me I don't have object. Can I work with variables? No, right? Now people tell me, so I don't have object now. So the class definition will change now. Class name, open brace, close brace, only methods are there. Okay. So in order to work with variables, we definitely need what? Memory. So who is allocating memory? Object. Now people tell me, can I work with a class without object? No. Why? Because object is allocating sufficient memory to what? Variables. So without object, we cannot work with variables. Okay, so that is fine. So somehow you are trying to prove, but what about these methods? How they are interlinked? Okay, so we'll prove that also. Just wait for 2 minutes. Okay, so that is fine. We are clear with that, and we know that. So we'll I will just remember. I will just try to remind you people something on Facebook. Okay. So, sir, we know we done some PhD in Facebook. So you are trying to explain us something in Facebook. So yeah, but I will just maybe I will try to understand few concepts in Facebook by using you people help. Maybe just think like that. Okay, so I entered my username XYZ something. Okay, and I entered my password here. Okay, so I clicked on login. Then what will happen? So where it will go? So it will go to what? Home page. Okay, correct. After successful login, it will redirect to where? Home page. Okay. Yeah, man, we'll discuss. Reservoir Cloud, we'll discuss. Okay. So where it will go? Home page. Fine. Now I want to click on notifications. Now where it will go? Notifications. I want to click on messages. Where it will go? Messages. So I want to click on friend request. Then where it will go? Friend request. Sir, we all know this one, sir. You are telling us again. So so we are daily using Facebook. Do you think we don't know this one? Yes, fine. But now people tell me, when you click on notification, why notification only coming? Do you people know this? Do you people know the reason? Sir, someone wrote some code on this. That's why it is working. Who is that someone? And what is that code? how that is working. Okay, so we people are developers. So when we are developers, we need to think in that way. Then only that will become easy for us. Is that clear? Okay, so because we wrote some code, so we'll see what is that code and everything. Okay, so when I click on notification, it is going to what? Notification. When I click on messages, so when I click on messages, it will go to messages page. When I click on friend request, it will go to friend request. Okay, but how that is working? So see, simple. For example, so and one more question. So when I'm clicking on notification, are we able to see messages? No. So are we able to see friend request? No. So when I'm clicking on notification, only notification should come, right? When I'm clicking on messages, only messages should come. When I'm clicking on friend request, only friend request should display. So that's what. Then how it is going on? Okay, so let's see. So method. Now see, this notification, void notification is a method. Okay, so void messages is a method. So xyz void abc void xyz, anything we can keep as methods. Okay, now if we want to call a method in oops concepts, then we need to call by using object name dot method name. Object name dot method name. So what is a method will do means it will provide some functionality. Okay, so but anyway, please ignore method concept. We will, so for whoops concepts we will discuss at least for 10-15 days we will discuss about complete whoops concepts. So I'm just giving demo purpose only. So okay, don't get confused, sir, why you did not told about object name. What is that object name? What is that method name? What is that variable? Who is allocating memory? How it is allocating memory? All these things I will explain. Okay, you people don't need to worry. Okay, so fine. So now what happened? So I want to call particular. See, I have three methods here. Now I want only add output. Then how we can call? What we need to do? So we need to do object name dot method name. So for example, if my object name is obj dot add, that's it. Now see what will happen? Only add method output will come now. Okay, so notification and messages. So if we call those methods, then only it will come. Otherwise, it don't come. So see, so here I was asking you people the question like how the output is coming means when I'm clicking on notification, because on that notification button, we wrote some code to call only that method. What is the syntax for calling a method? Object name dot method name. Okay, so without object we cannot call a method. Then what will happen? So when I click on friend request, it will open notification. When I click on the notification, it will open what? Messages. So when I click on messages, it will open notification. If you don't call the methods properly, then the output will come like that. Then now people tell me, will you people again open this Facebook when it is open like that? No. So that should work in proper manner. Then only we will use that Facebook website. Not only Facebook, any social networking website. Correct. So now people tell me, I don't have object now. So will I able to work with the class now? So people tell me I don't have object. So I don't know how to call the method now. Why? Because by using object only, we will call the method. So if I don't have object means we cannot call the method. That means we cannot work with what? Method. Now people tell me, so without object, can we work with variables? No. Why? Because only object will allocate memory to what? Variables. So if you don't have object, we don't have variables. Now, if we don't have object, We don't have what? Method. We cannot work with method. Why? Because object is used to call the particular method. That is the reason. So without object, we cannot work with what? Variables and methods. Now people tell me, I don't have object. So can I work with variables and methods? No. So now people tell me, without object, can we work with class? See, the definition of class is what? Class name, open brace, close brace. There we'll have what? Variables and methods. But we don't have object. So we cannot work with variables and we cannot work with what? Methods. Now people tell me, so object is king of oops. Will you people agree with me? Why? Because without that object, we cannot work with what? Oops. So without object, we cannot work with the class. Without object, we cannot work with what? Methods. Without object, we cannot work with variables. So the oops concept is 4 things within that. So without object, we cannot work with 3 concepts. Then will people tell me, so can we work without object I mean with class or something? No. That's why object is called as a king of oops. That is fine. Sir, you proved somehow, but you wrote some definition here, but we are unable to understand. Okay. So can you people please repeat with me? Class is a closed container where we can bind variables and methods. What is that? So please repeat with me so that you people will remember. So class is a closed container where we can, so where we can bind variables and methods. Okay. So class is a closed container where we can bind variables and methods. So sir, what is that? So what is this closed container? What is this one? So people see here, class opened here and class here. See here. People see here, class opened here and what? Class closed here. Okay. So class is a closed container. So it opened here, it closed here. So here we are declaring some variables and here we are using them. Okay. So whatever the value 10 here we have, so we are using here, and whatever the value 20 here we are using here. So class opened here and what? It closed here. So simple. So class is a closed container where we can bind variables and methods. Yes or no? So clear? Any questions here? So class is a closed container because it opened here and it closed here. And here what we are using? Variables and methods. So that's what my definition of class. So is that clear? So hence proved. Will you people agree with me? Sir, no sir, you are telling something. No, right? So class is a closed container where we can bind variables and methods. So hence proved, right? So this is what simple. So now people tell me, if you just follow this syntax, will you people able to write the code now on your own? Right? So you can write. So simple. So now I will ask you people to write. So see, class name. So I am giving some XYZ. So what is the syntax for declaring a class? Class name. Here we'll have open brace and closed brace. Inside class will be there variables and methods. Int a comma b comma c. Okay, simple. So what else we have? Methods. Void add. So here c equal to a plus b. That's it. See, if you follow the syntax, you are able to write the program, right? So this is what basic oops concept. So so anyone have questions on this one? So is this fine? So will you people are getting what I'm explaining? So are you people clear with the things? Can you people just comment in that chat so that I will also understand? I don't know whether you people are understanding or if I'm going fast or something. Okay, so if you people can comment there so that I will also get the things. Okay, so that's what. So so this is how the whoops. So see, I mean, maybe people may think like, sir, this is demo, that's why you are explaining this much careful or something. No, my all classes will be like this only. I will teach each and everything in real time. So all the concepts, whatever we have in complete C sharp. So I already shown you people, right? I'm a Microsoft certified .NET developer. So I'm like, I have some I'm having some certifications for Microsoft. So this is what our book. I only wrote this book on my own, this particular book. So this for complete C sharp .NET, I will use this book only. Okay. So these are all the concepts, contents. That's what we are going to discuss in one .NET. So see all these things, everything. So see here we have, see, this is 11th. Oops is our 11th concept, but first for demo purpose I explain now. See, you don't know anything in C sharp, but still I try to explain that 11th concept. So I hope you people got the concept, right? Okay, so all these things we are going to discuss in future. So maybe after 2-3 classes we are going to explain about all these things. Okay, okay, so clear, right? So all these things we'll discuss in future, and this is my own book only. So we'll follow this book only, and after a few sessions I will definitely share this book with you guys, so that you people will that will help you people also. Okay, so yes, so yeah, so and someone was, sorry, I don't join. Yeah, no problem. Yesterday Vraham, so no problem. So yeah, Sagar. So we will definitely so we'll discuss objects in detail. So objects, see, in some people will tell object is fan, object is this wall, object is that aeroplane, object is this one, that one. So don't follow those dirty things and all. So object is something else. Object is like, instance of class. That is only definition for object. If some people told object is light, object is fan, object is this one, object is that one, so so bullshit all those things. Why? Because so in real time concepts, so you need object is instance of class, that's it. So by using object we will allocate sufficient memory to variables, and by using object we can call methods. That's what we will do. If we switch on my fan will run, or if I turn on my light will be on, something. So people will tell like that, but don't trust that type of things. Okay. Okay, so clear? Yes. Now, few things I want to discuss. So you people, are you people clear with, I mean, course content? So this is what programming. So please respond. So that, see, if you people have doubts and if you people don't ask me, I don't understand. So don't feel shy for asking questions. See, why? Because so you people are currently so all you people need a job, right? So are you want to skill, or you want to cross skill yourself, and you want to develop your skills, and you want to work in very good companies, or you want more opportunities. That's why you people are here for learning. So see, for example, if you feel shy, like what other people, if I comment here, if I message here, maybe other people will think something about me. So other people may think something about me. So they may think something badly, they may think something wrongly. If you think like that, see, for example, no one is here in this world to help you, or so no one in this world will help you for anything. So maybe, sir, I have beautiful friends, they will help me for sometimes, or one, see, they will give this biryani for 1 day or 2 day or 3 days, but they don't give biryani for your lifetime, right? So if you want a good biryani, or if you want a good something, then what I will suggest, so learn this .NET properly. So whenever I'm asking you people to repeat it. So whenever I'm asking you people to practice it. So then definitely you will learn .NET completely. Trust me. So you can write the programming on your own. Okay. Uh, okay. So okay. So uh, okay. So see, one thing I want to say, see, nowadays, see, people are saying, so there is some recession going on, so IT industry is not good at all. So people are removing employees. So many people are saying. So what you people will tell what you people, my answer for them, like, sir, how is the IT situation currently? So what is your suggestion on that? So if someone asks me, then my answer will be, see, for example, now, if you are now, so now how many people carrying money in your wallet nowadays? So maybe 1,000 rupees, 5,000, no, maybe 1,000 rupees or 500, max to max 500 or 1,000. So if you are going to tea stall, so you are just you are just scanning that Google Pay or Phone Pay or Paytm, and you are just sending the money. Okay. So if you are going to this your beautiful 19 rupees, 13 rupees, 12 rupees transactions, so I know what does that mean. I hope you people may know. So when you are doing that, what you are doing, so recently I have seen in these small shops, kirana shops and all. So some people are going, and for 5 rupees also they are doing the Phone Pay and Google Pay, everything. Okay, so that means, see, now from rural areas to the most developed cities, everyone is using what? This Phone Pay, Google Pay and all. So now people tell me, who developed that Phone Pay and Google Pay? So the people who are sitting inside some tree and something, and they are saying like, so IT is gone, so there is recession, no more IT jobs. Those people developed that one? No, ourselves. Proud, we are proud, we are developers, so we are developing. Okay, so now people tell me, so maybe if you people tell, so what is the respected job in India or somewhere, Hyderabad or the Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, or in any other state? So people will tell bank jobs or something. Now people tell me, so will the banks will work without that website, banking website, or transactions will work without that website? Now who the hell this I mean who the hell are developing all these things? The people who are saying the IT is gone, the recession is going on, so no. So again, the proud, we are proud, so we people developers, see, so until this world, see, for example, every day we are getting new apps, every day we are getting new websites, every day we are getting new features. So now people tell me, so 10 years back the Facebook was completely different, and now the Facebook is completely different. So if the Facebook maintains how 10 years back like that, so if they still maintains like that, then what will happen? No one will use Facebook for sure, right? So very long back we have Orkut website. So Orkut was not properly maintained, that is the reason the Facebook came into the world, and that is ruling now. Now people tell me, so who worked on that Facebook? So the people who don't know this green button and red button in phone, so they are using the Facebook nowadays. They don't know anything in Facebook, but they're doing video calls, and they're keeping some nice, awesome, something. They are keeping so many comments in that. But who developed that Facebook? Those people? No. So we ourselves, we people, the developers. Okay. So see, maybe some bad time will happen for everything, but it won't impact IT for sure. Maybe see, some companies may lay off or something, but there are so much requirements in IT, and so much requirement for .NET in the world, current IT market. So trust me. So there are so many jobs. So see, so if you just log in into this Naukri and see, you can see thousands of posts, lakhs of posts from so many companies. So if they don't have requirement, why they will post? For time pass they are posting? Do you people think like that? I don't think so. Okay. So see, people, those who are not having, who are having lack of awareness, so those people will speak so many things. You people don't need to listen their words. So it's, you don't waste the time by listening that type of people words. Okay. Actually I don't speak, so I don't speak to that type of people. So if they ask me, if is the recession going on, yeah, recession is going on, you only come to that you only come to the TCS or Accenture or the Infosys somewhere, and you develop the code, you tell like the, you tell that person, so we all will come home, so we all will come to that roadside, so you go and develop the Facebook website, or you go and develop the Google Pay or Phone Pay website or something, then people will work on it. So will the people able to write even a single line of code? No. So again, so the proud people, developers, so IT, see, there will be up and downs in any field. So but that don't impact the IT. So there are so many jobs. So see, from morning to evening, without this mobile phone we cannot live also, right? So all those things, what are they? What are they? They are all what? Simply I can tell like, so they are all what? Apps only, applications only. So who developed those apps? Ourselves, developers only developed, right? Fine. So that's what my answer to everyone, like the situation of IT. If someone asks you people, just tell the same, then no one they, I hope they will shut their mouth for sure. Okay. So fine. And one more thing, sir, what all skills we need to learn .NET, I will explain tomorrow. And so how we need to prefer sessions and all, I will explain tomorrow. So maybe from 26 or 27, so we will start with our C# basics and all. So see, why I'm explaining all these things means, so see, if we explain each and everything clearly, and if you people get some clarity on what to do and how to do, in what manner we need to do, if you get a complete idea on it, so then definitely you can easily learn .NET. That's why I'm explaining each and everything. Fine. So I will give 5 minutes for your questions. So if anyone have questions, just message there, I will answer now. I'm giving some 5 minutes of time for everyone. Yeah. So if someone raise their hands, please just message in the chat. I will help you people for that. Okay. See, okay. Uh, so Jashwant, definitely I will share the book maybe after some time, after 5-6 classes when we start our programming, then I will definitely share. So what is the duration of web technologies? So web technologies also I only will teach. So that will be like 2 to 3 months. So Shivraj, what is the difference between ASP.NET and ASP.NET Core? So Sivraj, definitely we will discuss about that ASP.NET and ASP.NET Core in our next sessions. So we'll definitely, so we need so much time, maybe some 2 hours, 3 hours, or something, some time for us. So for explaining the differences and all, definitely I will explain. Will you please show us whole course content once? I hope I already shown, right, Rohit? Course duration for C# and ASP.NET. Course duration for C# is 2 to 3 months. So ASP.NET is also same. So but you can go parallelly. So if you try to go parallelly, then maybe within 6 months you can complete all the .NET contents. So Meena, software, yeah, Meena. I will definitely share in one of our class before starting our programming. I will share the software, and I will help you people to install the software in that particular class. Okay. So currently bank also work like sales company and their employees are like salesmen. I am working in bank as of right now. Okay. So desktop and mobile application also included, sir. Desktop and mobile. So yes, so when you are learning your HTML, there they will teach UI related. Maybe yes, I think. Ankit Kumar, sir, is it necessary to have knowledge? So Ankit, tomorrow I will explain. So I mean C, C++, understand C sharp. You are asking, right? I will prerequisites. I will explain tomorrow. Okay. So Prakash, how much program is taught in this course? So complete C# programming I will teach here for this class, and for ASP.NET we will teach complete programming in our ASP.NET. So you don't need to worry anything. You just follow all the class and materials. So then after completion of course you will definitely learn everything. So how much? Okay, sir. How long the course? Okay, I hope I answered. What is the difference between ASP.NET? I hope I answered, Shivraj, again. Can I build app or website after this course? Yes, of course. So you can write or create the website on your own for sure. Krishnavamsi sir, will you provide the notes daily? Yes, I will. I will provide the daily notes, and also I will share my book also. Both the things. Both the things. Okay, sir. How many classes will be there daily until the completion of the entire full stack dot net? Yeah, tomorrow I will explain this one, Balaji. Sandhya, sir. Class timings are same every day. Yes, madam. 6 to 7 only. Sir, may I get any placement through Naresh IT for learning? Yeah, Shiva. We have placements. I will explain how it is tomorrow. What is the total course full stack? Okay. So, yes, madam. Yes, Praveen. It's 6 to 7 only always. So Ankit, your prerequisites for learning .NET, I will explain tomorrow. This course is .NET 4 or .NET 5. So we are teaching in latest version of .NET 2022. UI Tech and SQL will cover as part of .NET, sir. Yes, it will. Sir, I'm in a company SQL developer. Now I want to move to .NET. Is it good idea? So see, then you will become a .NET full stack developer. Then your profile will be more uh, shiner if you learn .NET also. Okay, sir, I am confused with what are you saying. Please answer my question, sir. So what is that question? I don't know. Sir, is this C# only? Yes, for now we are this 6 to 7 for now is C# only. So registration process related, you will get a mail. So that's so please follow that. Vraham Devari, yes, Naresh IT will provide job opportunities. So total .NET full stack 6. Okay, so fine. Thank you all for joining.